As we continue to recognize Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we are highlighting women who have battled or are currently battling the disease. And while there are many different stories across the Brazos Valley, Tashara Parker shows us how one woman's journey brought an entire workplace together.
These two babies right here, these are my rock.
Susan Richards takes a quick moment to reflect.
These are my grandsons. Love them to death.
After overcoming cancer 3 times, Susan was recently diagnosed with triple-negative breast cancer. Now receiving one of the toughest chemo treatments ever invented, she understands the meaning of living life for a reason.
I try to just live right. I try to do what's right, and I'm not saying that I'm perfect. I just try to portray someone honest, someone sweet, someone genuine.
And it's those qualities that have rallied her coworkers around her. From selling t-shirts to sending cards, the phrase Susan Strong has become a household name around the health and kinesiology department.
When I'm laying there not wanting to get up, I think about Susan Strong, and I get up and I eat and drink and, make myself do things that you don't, that at that moment you don't want to do.
What words of advice do you have for other women out there that are also fighting the good fight?
Just don't give up. Just keep fighting.
And while Susan is pretty strong herself, she hasn't had a chance to see her coworkers very often. But I can tell you, after visiting with them, her fight is still very much on their minds.
We love you, Susan.
Keep fighting. Susan Strong. Gig 'em.
We love you, Susan. We want you to beat this like you've beaten it before, and beat the hell out of cancer this time.
Susan, I'm so proud of you. You're my hero. I love you.
Just keep fighting, Susan. Fight the good fight. We're all behind you.
We're all cheering for you. We're so ready for you to get better.
Susan, I know this is a difficult time. I just want you to know you're an inspiration to me. I love you and sending positive thoughts your way.
Susan, we love you and miss you. You got this.
There's always light at the end of the tunnel. There's always a fight left. You just have to believe in the fight and have faith and keep fighting through it.
And that's exactly what Susan plans to do. In College Station, Tashara Parker, KAGS HD News.
Now, while battling cancer, Susan's doctors have advised her not to work, and as a result, the bills are starting to pile up. Her friends and family members have arranged a barbecue dinner on Saturday, October 24th to help offset those medical bills. That information, of course, you see there on your screen, but you can also find it on our website, KAGSTV.com.